Come in close. Talk to the camera.
Hi.
In here. That's where you talk to.
Hi.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name's Elena. This is my mom, Kathy. Today we're gonna be doing Mother's Day glam with my mom. This isn't like a full glam session. I'm not really gonna be talking too much of what products I'm using. I will list them all down below. Before we get into today's look, like always, I'm gonna ask you to go down below, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And every time that I post a video, you guys are gonna be the first to find out. But this is more of just a get to know me, the amazing lady that raised me. I do give my mom a little mini facelift in here. Turn to the side, the other side. And I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do that. So if your mom is looking for a little snatch, keep on watching this video. All right, are you ready to begin?
Yep.
First thing that I'm gonna do is introduce you. Or do you want to introduce yourself?
You can introduce me.
No, you should introduce yourself.
Well, what am I going to say?
You're my mom.
Oh, it's on now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can look into the camera.
I'm Elena's mom, and we're going to do a makeover.
All right, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start out with a serum. We're gonna put this on your skin. I'm gonna ask you questions as we do this. What was your first record that you ever bought?
My first record?
Yeah.
Actually, the Beatles.
Really?
That was the big thing. Every day to go buy an album or a 45. The most famous song was I Want to Hold Your Hand. That was a famous Beatles song.
Did you used to beg Daddy to sing that with you?
Not really.
Do you think that life was so much better when you grew up?
Yes and no.
Really?
We're a lot more strict than they are now.
Oh, it was more strict when you grew up?
More strict. We weren't allowed to go by ourselves.
Right.
We had
You
to go with our
weren't very
parents.
strict with me.
No, not at all.
Are you ready to watch your facelift?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna give my mom a facelift. How we're gonna do this, now watch yourself in the mirror. Look when I lift here. Do you see the difference?
Wow, what a difference.
Like that. So, what we're gonna do is you wanna take this part of your hair.
Oh, that's what you use little rubber bands for.
No, I'll show you. First, you're gonna start with the small section of hair right by the temples. You're gonna grab it into two, and you're gonna start twisting it all the way back. Like, look at your face. Look like straight into the mirror.
Oh my God.
See how much like more lifted this
Yeah, without the plastic surgery.
Once you've gotten all the hair back, you're gonna secure it with a rubber band and a bobby pin, and then continue to do the same thing on the other side. My mom's hair is long enough to connect the two in the back, but if your hair's not long enough, just make sure you put extra bobby pins to make sure it stays secure.
Too bad it couldn't be permanent.
It can be permanent. You just have to go to a doctor.
I know.
And look how much younger. Look into the camera.
God.
Wow, that is wild.
That
right?
is amazing.
You
Completely.
look so much younger.
Oh my God.
Right?
It just brings it right up.
So what it did was just it lifted and turned to the side. You can't see it.
Can't even see it.
Yeah, it's hidden.
Wow.
So this is really good to do if you have like an event to go to and you are feeling a little bit drooped, or your Botox appointment is a little bit late, or in your case, you've never had anything.
No.
She is an all-natural woman. She's beautiful, and that really just like opened her up.
Wow.
So let's do some foundation. So the foundation that I'm going to use on my mom is the Good Apple foundation. This foundation is really popular on TikTok. Do you have a TikTok?
I've seen it on TikTok.
Oh, you have?
Uh-huh.
You have a TikTok?
Well, I watch it with your sister. We watch it all the time.
What's your favorite thing about being my mom?
I love your personality. In our house, there's always a funny situation. There's always something to laugh about. Even as a baby, you used to practice makeup.
What do you mean as a baby? Like how old?
Well, when you were about 5 years old, you used to put makeup on, used to go in the bathroom, and you would stay in there for an hour.
When I was 5 years old, I went into the bathroom to
And
put
one
makeup
day you
on.
came out and you had no eyebrows. You shaved your eyebrows off.
I thought I was a little bit older when I did that.
No, we were in Brooklyn. You were about 6 years old. You were going to your father-daughter dance.
And I wanted a new look.
Yeah, and you came out and you had no eyebrows.
What did you say to me?
I said, "What did you do?" And he said, I want to make a new face."
No.
You had no eyebrows.
I wanted a new face.
Yeah, you wanted something different.
Well, I got it. Thank God
did.
they grew back.
It took a while, but they grew back. Oh, it was an experience with you growing up.
Did you ever think that there was a time that I was just going to be like a loser and like not do anything with my life?
Not really.
Be honest.
Well, actually, to be truthful, when you were graduating high school, Daddy said, she's going to work in ShopRite.
Mom!
But you turned out to be very successful.
There's nothing wrong with working in ShopRite either.
No.
But my parents did send me to a really good school. They thought that I was going to go to college and maybe...
For 2 weeks. Well, you did work retail for a week.
What do you mean for a week? Where?
In Stop and Shop.
Oh, yeah, I was. I did work at a grocery store.
No, actually, you were there for 2 weeks.
Why did I quit?
Because it was a Friday night and they wouldn't give you off. And you had to go out.
Oh my God. What did I tell them? I just quit there.
You said, if I can't have the night off, I'm quitting. I don't even think you told them. I think you just left.
That sounds like every job that I've had.
You didn't. It was just a Stop and Shop.
When did you realize that I was a successful makeup artist?
Actually, when you started working for MAC.
Really? That's when you had faith in me and you thought that that was me being like really successful? You knew that I was gonna go big places?
I knew just from the way, even when you were little, when you used to put makeup on.
But you guys didn't know that being a makeup artist, you can actually have like a career.
No. But then reading up on it and everything.
You read up on it?
Yeah, and then you could be very successful in what you do.
You read up on being a makeup artist?
Well, I knew this is what you wanted. And that was it.
What was your first date ever? How old were you?
My first date? Believe it or not, it was my 8th grade prom.
Oh, who took you?
Close friend of the family.
Did he do it as a favor?
Did he do it? No.
Just kidding.
Yeah.
That was your date.
Then he went to the same high school as Elena's dad.
You loved Daddy when you first met him, right?
Yeah, it was love at first sight.
Oh. Are you happy that you got 2 daughters, tell the truth?
Yes.
Really?
I am.
Because your life might have been easier if you didn't have me and
No.
her.
It's very exciting with the 2 girls.
Exciting but exhausting.
Not really.
What year did you really think that you were going to throw me out and send me to the aliens?
There was never a time, really.
Really?
No.
You never really hated me? Because I feel like I was pretty awful.
No, but I used to worry when you would never call me when you got home.
How many times in your life do you think that you've dialed my phone number?
Oh, a lot. A lot.
Like really, let's like give a ballpark number.
In one night, I'd say maybe 20 times.
20 times? You called me one time like 60 times.
Because I didn't know where you were. I was so worried. You were working in the city.
At a nightclub.
At a nightclub, and it was 4 o'clock in the morning, and you weren't home
That's
yet.
what time the clubs close, Mom.
I know, but like I was trying to reach you, and there was no answer. And I woke your father up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and I said, you better call the police. I don't know where she is.
I was missing for one night.
And the outcome was her phone was dead, which is not unusual for Elena.
This is giving you a little bit of an extra little lip. Look how pretty you look.
Oh my God.
Do you feel gorgeous?
Yeah, I'll have to tell your father to take me out now tonight.
I mean, it's going to be like 10 o'clock at night when we're done. Do you consider yourself a stage mom?
Yes,
You do?
I do.
Do you know what that means?
What?
That would mean like you were somebody who like always pushed. I mean, I guess you kind of were a little bit of a stage mom, but you never really like pushed me too crazy
No,
in anything.
not even with cheerleading.
Your facelift is making the shadow go on so easily, right?
It's really pulling it up. Oh my God, I can't believe this is me.
Tell me about your makeup for your wedding.
The person that did my makeup was a makeup artist for Elizabeth Arden
In Manhattan.
in Manhattan.
Yeah.
Jerry, his name was.
Love him.
And in fact, I just spoke to him, on Facebook just recently.
Really?
On my anniversary.
Oh my God.
And I said, Jerry, I remember 35 years ago today, I was at your house.
He remembers doing your makeup?
Yeah, we're friends.
I love that, Mom.
Yeah.
Jerry.
He did my hair and my makeup.
And you wore red nails for your wedding.
I remember the color of the nail polish too.
What was the name of it?
Coming Up Roses by Revlon.
Oh, what a memory. Do you regret having all of your bridesmaids wear blue taffeta dresses?
No, they actually didn't wear blue taffeta. They just wore blue, not taffeta.
Mom, those dresses.
Were they taffeta? I don't remember.
They
Yeah.
looked like if they stood by a fire. They would go on fire. What was the best vacation you ever went on?
Actually, when we went to Vegas.
When? With me?
Just Vegas. That's really all we went to was Vegas.
Yeah, well, I spent my whole childhood in Las Vegas. I think that explains a lot. Me not coming home at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
This is your fault. I was a good girl.
No, she was.
Look at.
Both girls are very, very good.
Let me see.
It's a challenge having girls, but it's a pleasure.
Aw, Mom.
It is.
A feather in your brows. Were you ever concerned with my imaginary friend? Were you
No.
like nervous that I was talking to myself
No, it
all
was
the time?
Jum.
I used to want to have dinner with them, Mom.
We used to set a little table with them.
Like sometimes I would want to have dinner only with them.
And then there was another one too, wasn't
John.
John.
My
John,
husband.
Yeah, John was her husband.
And Jum Jum was a munchkin from The Wizard of Oz.
Munchkin.
Who was my child. Are you happy that we weren't kids growing up in the iPad age?
Definitely.
Because you feel like kids don't have as much as an imagination as
They don't.
moi?
They don't. You two had wild imaginations. She was always in some kind of trouble when she was little, though.
Like
I
in
used to get
school?
phone calls from school every day. Elena wouldn't sit in her seat.
Elena won't stop talking. Elena, be quiet.
Well, she used to get an award every once in a while.
For what?
being good.
I won a dinosaur one time out of paper mache. I'm giving you a nude. I'm making us look exactly like twins. Wow.
Oh my God.
Look how beautiful you look.
Can I leave this facelift in for tomorrow?
Yeah.
My God, before and after.
Do you feel so gorgeous?
Yes, I do.
Did you have fun?
Yes,
Do you think that you're going to become a YouTube sensation?
I think so.
Go give your moms a big hug and a kiss. And if you guys do not subscribe to my channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Bye.